Lesson 32. Level B1. B1 plus. Future in the past. I thought that I would. Story 1.
Tony, 22 years old, Canada. I thought that I would finally have a peaceful and relaxing weekend, but my roommate Robert decided to ruin it almost without warning me. I didn't plan anything, so I thought I would lie in bed and read a book or binge-watch a new TV series. But Robert's idea of a perfect weekend was much different than mine. One of his friends was leaving the country for a year to study in Spain, so Robert thought that it would be a crime not to throw a farewell party for her. He begged me to help him, so I couldn't say no. I agreed to do the cooking, but he promised that he would help me. Of course, he didn't. He also didn't tell me that almost 40 people would come. When I saw all the guests, I thought that half of them wouldn't fit into our small apartment. They made a huge mess, and I had to clean it the next day. It's Thursday, and I'm still too mad to talk to Robert.
Story 2.
Dorothy, 28 years old, Ireland. Last year was the toughest year of my life. In February, I unexpectedly lost a job that I loved. It was difficult to accept because my boss promised me that she wouldn't hire anyone else for my position. She said that I was an excellent employee and that she wouldn't trust anybody else to do the job as well as I did. I never thought that she would lie to me like that. I had no savings, so I was worried that I wouldn't be able to pay rent. I thought that nothing worse would happen to me anytime soon, but I was very wrong. A month later, I suddenly lost my mom. She was only 59 years old and completely healthy, so I thought that she would live for another 20 or 30 years. I was heartbroken, but I knew that my friends and family would support me. I survived that terrible time only thanks to them.
Story 3.
Marcus, 34 years old, Belgium. I have always loved dancing, but I thought that I would never learn how to do it. My friends have always told me that I have 2 left feet, so I didn't tell them that I started having dance classes 2 months ago. I was sure that they would laugh at me, and I was right. When my friend Margot found my dance shoes in my room, she laughed so hard that she cried. She also made a few very mean jokes. I knew that it would be funny to her, but I didn't think that she would be so cruel. She upset me, but I decided that I wouldn't give up. It was the right decision. I continued learning, and I started improving much quicker than I thought I would. In fact, I thought that I wouldn't get better at all. I thought that I would keep doing it just for fun. But I'm glad that I was wrong. I'm taking part in my first dance competition next week.
The end of Lesson 32.